Welcome to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, where history, art, and culture converge. From November 11th to 13th, 2024, the heart of Florence will beat with the rhythm of cultural diversity at the 4th annual The World in Florence, International Festival of Diversity of Cultural Expression. This year's theme is Community and Heritage. What is heritage without the community that produced it, cares for it, and keeps it alive and unique? Join us as we explore the dynamic relationships between local communities and their heritage, and between foreign communities and local heritage. Discover the economic impacts and the profound effects heritage has on communities worldwide. Whether in person at the Auditorium al Duomo or online, #TWIF 2024 offers a platform for meetings and reflections on the complexities of heritage relationships. These relationships, sometimes strained by conflict or climate change, shape our identities and connections with each other and the world around us. The festival brings together professionals, academics, and institutions for international encounters. It's a unique opportunity to share and engage with cultural expressions from around the globe. Experience the vibrant tapestry of human heritage. Be a part of the World in Florence, where every participant has a voice and every culture finds its stage. The 2024 festival includes a digital exhibition of cultural and natural itineraries designed by participants for Luoghi Parlanti, a territorial marketing tool promoting storytelling and the heritage of places. Enjoy sessions presenting innovative cultural performances, thematic talks by experts, and interdisciplinary discussions to inspire new ideas for building a shared future. Embark on a journey through the world's cultures via their flavors. Respecting all sensitivities and promoting inclusion, only plant-based foods will be served, ensuring an experience accessible to all. New for 2024, an exhibition of symbolic objects representing the relationship between communities and their heritage, including art, craft creations, local cuisine, traditional clothing, and more. Additionally, an exhibition space will be available for participants to promote their place, culture, and community. The festival welcomes universities, academies, local public administrations, private organizations, companies, and anyone interested in intercultural dialogue, cultural tourism, and heritage preservation. Save the date, November 11th to 13th, 2024. Join us in Florence or online. Let's celebrate our shared heritage and the communities that bring it to life.